Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics. Today we start with the first chapter, relations and functions. In 9th standard already have been taught the concept of sets. Here we are going to study a new set called Cartesian product. What it is called? Cartesian product. Here is a definition for Cartesian product. Listen. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to the set A. Look at the symbol. It's a symbol for belonging. A is an element of A. We can say A belongs to A. Like that, B is an element of B. Capital B is called the Cartesian product of A and B. What about A and B? A and B are two sets, two non-empty sets, and is denoted by A cross B. A cross B. Don't say A into B. A cross B. Thus, A cross B, that is equal to set of all A comma B such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. This is a definition of a Cartesian product. Look at the note, important note. First one, A cross B is the set of all possible ordered pairs between the elements of capital A and B such that the first coordinate is an element of capital A and the second coordinate is an element of capital B. Note number 2. B cross A is the set of all possible ordered pairs between the elements of capital A and capital B such that the first coordinate is an element of capital B and the second coordinate is an element of capital A. Third point, if A and B are equal, then A comma B, that is equal to B comma A. And the fourth one, Cartesian product is also referred as cross product. Cartesian product is also referred as cross product. Then recall of standard infinite sets. Already have been taught these concepts in lower classes. You know that capital N represents set of all natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Uncountable numbers are there, and set of all whole numbers is represented by the letter capital W, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Then set of all integers is represented by the letter Z, that is Z, that is equal to all the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc., including 0. Then set of all rational numbers is represented by the letter Q, that is equal to small p by Q, where Q not equal to 0. That is very important one. Q is not equal to 0, because if Q is equal to 0, anything by 0 is infinity, undefined. So that the condition is Q is not equal to 0. Particularly P and Q belong to the set Z. Z represents set of all integers. And already I told you Q represents set of all rational numbers. Q dash represents set of all irrational numbers. Q dash represents set of all irrational numbers. So rational and irrational together, U represents union. Together is set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers is represented by the letter R. Okay. So this is a brief introduction about the cross product, Cartesian product of two sets, capital A and capital B. I will be teaching exercise 1.1 in the next video. Thank you, children.